Hi guys, and welcome to another Elementor video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to be using a great new plugin. It's called Elementor Master Addons, and we're going to create this animated headline up here. Now this plugin comes in two flavors, a free version and a pro version, and you can do this animated text effect with both versions. And if you want to check it out, you can do so from my affiliate link below this video. Just as an overview, I'll show you a bit about this. Here's all the extra widgets it gives you, and a lot of them are free. As you can see, several of them are pro, and we'll be demonstrating these over the next few months. But so far I've been playing with it and I think it's absolutely awesome. For a full list, just go to the pricing and it'll show you what's available on the free. We're doing the animated headline today. As you can see, there's an awful lot available with the free. I haven't tried them all yet, but the pro, you've got some fantastic ones going on there too. So let's get started. Let's just go in. I've got the page open here. I'm going to delete this. Okay, so I've got a section here. It's just got a simple image background in it, as you can see there. I'm going to add my animated headline up here. So if we go to our matrix, here's all the regular free Elementor plugins. Here's the ones you get with the Pro. I haven't got Pro installed today, and we'll keep going on down. Now here's the Master Addons ones, as you can see under Master Addons. First one is animated headline. So I'm simply going to drag that over and pop it in there. And right away it's come up with Master Addons and a few things over here. So in the Content tab, here's our first heading. Put in whatever you want for your first heading. There it is right there. And just add whatever you want underneath. I'll just go through a couple of these. Etc. Now when you've put in a few, I can't really see these over here. We've not done any styling yet. Let's go over to the Style tab. And we got the first heading, which is this bit right here. Now here's our text color. I'm going to leave mine as white, but if you want to change the color, you can just select it here and make it any color you want. I don't particularly want a background color on that today, so I'm going to take that away. I'm just going to take the opacity down all the way so it's see-through. Fantastic. Now for the second heading, seeing as I've got a sort of image that's kind of green back there, it's got a green motif, I'm going to use a bit of green. Obviously you use exactly what you want to use. Let's drag this up till we can see the color. Yeah, it's pretty good. And I think I'd like my text to be bold also. We'll do that in the typography in a minute. You can put a background color in this one also if you want to, but I really don't want a background color in mine. So I'm happy with that as it is. I'm going to go into the typography and I'm going to make it bold. There we go. Great, so I'm happy with that. That's pretty much all I want to do. That stands out nicely on my background there. It's not going to animate while we're in the back end here, but if we update and we'll look at it on the front end, as you can see, here it is. And that's a nice little feature. That's going to get people's eyes on there pretty quickly. So let's go back in there, and back in the content, there's several different styles. Go through. I don't think all of these are available in the free version, but certainly many of them are. Let's just change it to typing and see what happens there. We'll update and we'll preview our changes. There we go. There's the typing effect. That's a little more relaxed there. But again, that's quite a nice little feature. But I quite like that first one actually. But go through and see what you like there. If we go over to the advanced tab, there's all kind of transforms and relaxes and reveals. Play with those and you can get some pretty cool effects going. I'm going to leave mine simple like that because that really works for me. And of course, if you want to delete an item, just hit the little X there. If you want to add an item, hit the little plus or add item down here. That's fantastic. So that's pretty impressive for a little free plugin to add to your Elementor for page titles and things like that. That's going to get people's eyeballs on it pretty quickly. So let's update and just check that out again. I don't think I changed very much there. And there we have it. So that's an animated headline there with the Elementor Master Addons plugin. In our next video, we're going to create some simple flip boxes. And again, these are free. And that's a nice little feature. You see this on a lot of modern websites. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you want to check it out, do so from my link below this video. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.